math and bio. And then how competitive edge is like our, it's like an extra class. It's mostly participation. So with Tabitha, she's very quiet, and so the thing from her is getting to know what she needs without having to cut it from her. And so that's something I've noticed. She's a very sweet girl. She's very, she's really cool. She's this. It's just getting her to communicate, open up, and ask for help when she needs it. And I've noticed that a lot in math as well. And so right now she has a 63 in math. And I see it's a lot of the homework. It's all homework because the tilts right here, these are all like the quick checks they do, the quizzes they do.
Yeah, I know she has a hard time at home just calling everybody.
Really? Okay.
To try to figure out how to do it.
And so I'm here after school as well. Miss Michelson as well. Actually, I'm going to move us on over to Miss Michelson over there so you can chat with her for a little bit.
Hey, Jason, how are you?
Tell us more.
Great. What's up?
Oh, hello. Hi. ¿Prefieres español o inglés? Okay, cool. I'm having to go back and forth, so sometimes I've been like in the middle of an English conference, started speaking Spanish, so I apologize if I like switch up.
I understand Spanish, so it's okay.
Okay. Is this your son?
Yeah.
Hi. What's your name?
Emmanuel.
Emmanuel. How old are you?
He just turned 2.
So I'm going to leave you with her for a second and then we'll go over.
Yep. I don't bite. So, so Tabitha's not here?
No, because I worked, so she took the bus home. And then I wasn't going to be able to make it and pick her up and then come back over here. Because I was in Arcadia, so I had to go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so.
It's a mess. Well, thank you for coming and thank you for talking to us about how she's doing. Has she shared with you anything about how her classes are going?
She says it's okay. I know she's struggling in math. She's always she's calling everybody to figure out how to do it.
Okay. Do you know who she's calling?
I don't know.
Just her friends?
Yeah, I know there are students, and I know there's some from other public schools. Like the one that she went with from eCALS last year. I know she talked to one of those, and then I think she's called the other Tabitha that's here. I don't know if she's in this school, maybe she's in another school.
Okay. You guys have like the same voice, by the way.
Oh.
It's like freaking me out. I feel like it's like a different face, but same person. That's awesome. Yeah, I mean, that's huge. She's taking the initiative to ask for help on things she doesn't understand. Like, that's step one, right?
Yeah.
So that automatically tells me, like, she's developing the right habits to be successful. I just actually looked at her grade today, and she has a 63, I believe.
Yeah.
Which is not too far off. But that said, I think Tabitha, like, is not a C student. She's obviously not an F student. I think she could be doing even better. And she came in this morning to talk to me and say if she could come in during all of her breaks and lunches to try to get her stuff organized and make sure she can, be on the right track. And I helped her with a couple of different problems on the homework
On the
and stuff.
math.
Yeah, so I mean, all of that is like initiative. All of that is her doing what she needs to do to like take charge of her grade, and that's a beautiful thing. I think because she was gone for about a week and because she was absent a couple of times before that, I think that set her back a bit.
Yeah.
But me seeing those habits, that is going to make all the difference for her.
Yeah, I didn't even know she was my mom, and then my mom would text me later on. Oh, I'm like,
Oh, yeah.
I'm like, well, she's there because it's closer,
Yeah.
but now we're closer because we were in Almani and now we're in Alhambra,
Okay.
so it's closer for you to
Yeah,
come.
that's great. Yeah, I think that it's just about her maintaining those habits and making sure that she continues to come in, because as long as I have that time one-on-one with her, I think that I can like help her to get to where she wants to be. It's just about her, taking charge and making sure that she's doing what she needs to. But during class, she's on task, she's asking for help, and she's doing a really good job. So it's just about kind of like making up for some of that lost time, and that takes time. Unfortunately, it's not always so easy to just be like, boom, 1 second you're failing, the next second you're an A student. But as long as she like keeps practicing and coming in for help, then she should be just fine. Yeah. How's she doing in her other classes?
The only one that she's always asking for help is math, but math has always been her hard subject since kindergarten.
Yeah, she said she is a really good writer, and
Yeah.
she's
And she likes to read a lot. Yeah,
That's awesome. Yeah. Well, she's lucky because the thing about her math class, this is like an example homework that she gets.
Yeah.
You can see that half the page is like her writing.
Yeah.
And so that's where she really shines. Is like if she's able to really understand the math, then the writing part for her is a breeze.
Yeah, and that's the thing with her. She always has, when it comes to math, when it's problems, like written problems, she's okay. But when it comes in like written form, just like a basic math, that's where she's more.
Yeah, like translating what she's seeing into the words versus what she's seeing in the math. Yeah, and that's huge, right? Because like that's reading, that's a reading skill, and I guarantee you she'll need to know how to like apply the real world into math in her life, regardless of what career she goes into. So it's like great practice for her. I am here to support and coach her. I have been working with her really closely, and I'm just going to make sure that I stay persistent with her and that I hold her accountable because I think that she'll be okay. She just needs to make sure she like sticks to it.